and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. In the last video I did, we had a look at the symbols and information that was on the LCD and Viewfinder on the Fuji cameras. That's all well and good. What about these symbols that we sometimes get? Let's have a look at those, see why they're there, what they mean, and how we can turn them off if we need to. So let's go and have a look at these different symbols. And so our first symbol is the focus check symbol. So let's have a look how we get into that. We go into the AF/MF setting, scroll all the way down to page 2, and then focus check on or off. And away we go. So after that, we have now got the depth of field preview symbol. So if you go into your functions button settings and set one of the buttons to the preview depth of field, and then after that you'll get the symbol on the screen whenever you press that button. Next up we've got Bluetooth. So when you've got Bluetooth on, this symbol will show up. So if you go into connection settings, Bluetooth settings, and you can turn it off or on inside there. Next up, we've got image transfer. This is for transferring images to your phone. So if you go down to auto image transfer, turn that on, and then you'll have that symbol, or turn it off to get rid of it. Next up is geotagging. So geotagging your photos. It takes a setting from your phone. So into general settings, go down to geotagging off or on, and location info off and on, and that'll be that symbol. And then we've got the overheating warning. If that comes on, it'll be yellow, and then it'll go red when it gets even hotter. And all you got to do is really just turn the camera off and let it cool down. And then we've got this general warning, turn off the camera and turn on again. This can mean numerous things, but the first thing you ought to check is the connections between the lens and the camera body. Just give them a clean just to see if that's the issue. If that doesn't cure it, then you'll have to send the camera away for repair. Next we've got sound and flash, or what's called silent mode. And if we go into the user settings down to sound and flash, we can switch it on and off there. Right, we've had a look at all those different symbols and what they mean and how to turn them off. And I hope that if any of them pop up or suddenly appear, you'll know how to get rid of them if you need to, and what they actually mean and do. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That helps the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.